Is the Paris 2024 the most innovative Olympic Games ever?
Great question. Let's explore it together. Welcome back. Let's continue our journey. Wow, the breaking competition is here. I like dance sports.
Ouch!
Hi, I'm Alibaba Cloud Bow. I'm here to help you with the move.
Thank you. I've been trying to say freeze move, but my arm and back angles are off.
No problem. I know an expert who can help.
The MUCAR 3D rendering technology can help you identify the technical issues. Multi-camera replay system will provide frame-free slow-motion replays of athletes' performance, allowing hardcore sport fans to access detailed information for deeper analysis of the athlete's movements. The footage will be sent to the cloud, where Alibaba Cloud's AI driving computing capabilities enable live spatial reconstruction and real-time 3D rendering before the chosen moments are shared as a replay through live or non-live feed. The seamless reconstruction of the most exciting moment only takes seconds to get ready in the cloud and integrated as part of the live coverage.
Now, let's look more closely. Gabrielle, you need to adjust your arm and back like this.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Go, Gabrielle, you can do it.
This is awesome. Thank you, Alibaba Cloud Bow. Here, take my lucky charm bow.
This is the second puzzle piece. Thank you, Gabrielle. Goodbye.